this is Oteen from Oteen TV. I just want to do a quick video on how I clean my Zeny portable washing machine, because it does get quite dirty. I mean, not up here so much, but inside. See how jeans have stained the white part, and then there's a little stain right here from jeans. It just gets dirty inside. So not the spinner doesn't, let me take this out. The spinner doesn't get dirty, so I just kind of dry that out, but the washing machine part gets dirty. So I'm going to show you how I do that. I just take a wipe, any old wipe that you have, disinfectant wipe, and I just clean the inside. I take it and I wipe all over everything. I don't know if it'll get that denim mark out from the jeans, but I know it gets like all this other stuff. So I'm gonna wipe it down real quick and I'll come back and show you it. So I have wiped it all down in the inside. I just took a wipe. Hold on, I see a corner that does not look either clean or dry. Hold on a second. I try to make sure I get this done. I don't try to. I do it every time I use it, because if not, it'll get that nasty mildew smell if you leave the water sitting in here. And so it looks pretty good. No more ring around the thing. So one thing I do too is I always tilt it to get that excess water out of that's sitting in the bottom from, what didn't drain out or whatever. I always get that out of there too, because I don't want any nasty stale water sitting in the bottom causing, mildew or, any type of nastiness. So yeah, and this hose, that hose will get nasty too if you let the water sit in there. I've seen some people's hoses that didn't really look really good, so I try to keep mine clean. So that's what I do. I wipe it down with a antibacterial sanitizing disinfectant wipe, and I leave it open for a couple of hours just so it can dry out. I dry it out with a towel, and then I leave it open so it can dry out. And then I have this little like trolley rolling thing that I keep it on. I'll show you. Hold on just a second. I watched the lady's video a while ago that said that she said she saved her styrofoam from the packing, and that's what she stores hers on. So I stole that idea and put that on this little, actually this is I think it's a portable washer dolly. I think it's what it's called. I got that at Treasure Hunt. I don't know if you have a Treasure Hunt in your area, but I got it at Treasure Hunt, I think on a $5 day. So I got it for $5. Yet it's a little assembly, but not too bad. So I just set it on there and roll it around. Hold on just a second. I will show you how how it sits on there. This is the original styrofoam bottom that it came on. I just set it back on there, and then this just rolls around wherever I want to roll it, really easily. I don't have to pack it or anything like that. Just rolls around. So that's how I clean and store my Zeny portable washing machine with spinner. And yeah, I do keep everything inside so I won't lose it or forget about it, like I did this lint catcher earlier. I just decided to keep that inside too. Whoops. Okay, there we go. That's how I clean and store my Zeny portable. Don't forget to turn that back to standard, or when you put your water in to fill it, it'll just come back out because you left it on drain. Those are the little things that you just have to remember to do, so you won't be making a big mistake and wasting water or anything. So like I said, that's how I clean and store my Zeny portable washing machine with spinner. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if there's anything you want me to try in here, anything you want me to wash. I'll do it. It doesn't matter. Either it'll work or it won't. So there we go. See you in my next video.